And we've got some breaking news coming in now. Sources tell India Today that Amit Shah was present at the cabinet meeting that took place on the 29th of July. That's 3 days ago. The meeting was held at the Prime Minister's residence. Social distancing was strictly followed along with the wearing of masks. Temperature checks were conducted. Arogya Setu checks were conducted. No use of internal cars to ferry people were some of the measures adopted for this cabinet meeting. And most physical meetings are, of course, avoided since video conference is preferred. But that is a crucial piece of information coming in, that Amit Shah attended a cabinet meet at the Prime Minister's home office of 7 Lok Kalyan Marg in Delhi on the 29th of July. And even though COVID-19 protocol was followed, the fact is that the Home Minister has tested positive just 3 days after he attended that meeting at the Prime Minister's residence. I want to bring Poulomi Saha and Milan Sharma, who are tracking this story throughout today, are with me live. Poulomi, coming to you first. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, was at that cabinet meet at 7 Lok Kalyan Marg on the 29th of July. That's just three days ago. Any information coming out from the Prime Minister's office regarding any other self-isolations or actions with the Prime Minister or others who are present, Poulomi?
Well, as that statement said, that there was social distancing which was maintained at the cabinet meeting, and everyone present, including the officials who were present from the ministries that were, of course, on agenda at the cabinet meeting, everyone wore masks. So all protocols and practices, as far as safe protocols are concerned, they were all maintained. As of now, that is the information that we are, of course, it's being shared with us and we're being told about. But yes, like Milan has been pointing out as well, and what we've learned from our sources as well, it's just a procedure that contact tracing will happen. Of course, the Home Minister himself has asked everyone who came in direct contact with him to immediately self-isolate and get themselves tested as well. But, others are also taking precautionary measures on their own as well. Babu Supriyo told you earlier that he is going to self-quarantine. There were other members of parliament as well who, for various reasons, met with the Home Minister, over the course of the last few days. So they will be self-quarantining as well as, of course, getting themselves tested. But this is obviously something which is restricted to those who came in direct contact with the Home Minister himself.
Milan, mild symptoms being experienced by the Home Minister. Anything more that we're expecting to hear? Will there be health bulletins conducted, considering it's the Home Minister?
Yes, Shiv, in fact, the Home Minister has been admitted to Medanta, and what we have heard from the hospital sources is that there will be a health bulletin that will be issued in some time. We'll wait for that because it's the Home Minister, and I'm sure everybody wants to know how his health is after he's announced himself that he's tested positive for COVID-19. What we're also given to understand, Shiv, right now, there could be likely that a team from AIIMS will go to Medanta and work along with doctors at Medanta Hospital. So that would be happening likely anytime soon as well. This is what our medical sources have informed us. And meanwhile, his oxygen levels and his health vital statuses are being checked at this point, and they are stable. He's feeling okay because he has reported mild symptoms. But it's likely that an expert team from AIIMS would also be visiting Medanta to check on the Home Minister's health, treatment, as well as diagnosis.
Okay, Milan, thank you very much for joining us on that. We'll keep a track of that story.